The next department is highly extreme among those with a passion for research, particularly in the fields of basic science or biology.
ค่ะเดี๋ยวเชิญรับชมคลิปของทาง Oral Biology ได้เลยค่ะ
Please enjoy the clip.
Hello everyone, my name is Chalida. I am the coordinator of the program of Oral Biology, Faculty of Dentistry, Chulalongkorn University. Today for the orientations, we will give you short introductions about our programs. If you want some information further, please follow us on Facebook, or if you have any inquiries, please go to this QR code or visit our website. So to our program, we would like to provide our advanced knowledge for the students in the oral biology program with a lifelong learning graduate in the international society. Our program, we provide the master degree program and PhD program. So the master program will be 2 years until graduations, and the PhD, if you come from master degree, you will require 3 years to graduate. If you come from bachelor degree and you would like to graduate for PhD, it will require 4 years. The requirement for graduations will depend on if you are in the research track or the coursework track. That means you are taking break from the lecture and taking exams. So we have different requirement of publication. We open twice a year, so we have 2 semester system, which is start in August and January semester. So international students who still is living abroad, you can have a Zoom meeting for the exam interview. And the field of study, we also welcome bone biology, tissue engineering, stem cells, biomaterial, immunology. So it doesn't have to be related to dental field. Sometimes can be other cells, cell signaling, or also anything that is related to oral science. So the eligibility of the students, they must hold a bachelor or master degree in biological science. And it's fine, health science, dental study, or medical, or veterinarian, and also other health professional degree are also welcome to apply. And also you have a requirement to have an exam of the English score, which for Thai students can take the CUTEP score, or other like IELTS and TOEFL is also welcome. So we also show that our students always have perform a high performance and always win a reward from national and also international competition. And students get the high opportunity to go study or have a research presentation and competition abroad. And also we have many winners or receive many awards from the well-known research competitions worldwide. And also we attend our students or our young researchers always attend in the well-known symposium. For example, International Dental Research or IADR, which is the biggest program conference meeting in dental field. We also have seminar and group discussion and extracurricular activities such as seminars, research camping. Usually we go to some nice place in Thailand, like a nice beach, beautiful, so we can write a paper and be guided by an English speaking professors to help you correcting the manuscript ready for submit. For the career path, so this program is suitable for students who is pursuing academic positions such as lecturer or visiting professor or postdoc in other countries, and also suitable for students who wants to have a career path related to laboratory, postdoc, or international studies. So we also have the collaborations with the research centers in our faculty, so students can have opportunity to use the machine and the resources from all of these centers. And the most important things maybe for the international students are the scholarship. Usually the students from abroad can apply for the ASEAN scholarship, which also provide the tuition exemption of the tuition fee and also for the monthly salary. Please go to the QR code or go to the website for further information. Okay, this is also the fully support tuitions and salary for the international students. And also as we mentioned before, we also have a double degree for the PhD with Tohoku University from Japan. And also we have the concurrent program, which means students can also apply with other clinical specialties and then graduate within a shorter period than separating study. For example, so it will be combined program of PhD and oral pathology. For the program director, Dr. Thanapum, he answered the email very quickly. Please email him at thanapum.o@chula.ac.th. For the international affair, me, Dr. Chalida, I'm also be happy to answer you any questions provided. Thank you for joining us today and see you soon in Bangkok.
ก็ถือเป็นอีกหลักสูตรหนึ่งที่ได้รับรางวัลเยอะแล้วก็มี collaboration หลากหลายมากพอสมควรเลยนะครับ
แล้วก็เป็น most popular ของนิสิตต่างชาติด้วยนะคะแล้วก็วันนี้เราได้รับเกียรติจากอาจารย์ประจำสาขามาอยู่กับเราด้วยค่ะอาจารย์สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
ค่ะค่ะเดี๋ยวจะรบกวนอาจารย์ชลิดาพูดถึงหลักสูตรสักนิดนึงแล้วก็ตอนนี้ยังเปิดตรงไหนบ้างหรือว่ามีที่นั่งเหลือตรงไหนบ้างค่ะอาจารย์จะพูดภาษาอะไรก็ได้นะคะเพราะอาจารย์พูดได้ 4-5 ภาษา
Okay, allow me to speak in English because most of our customers or who is interested are all international students. So actually we open year round for the interview and application for both master, PhD and also if you are interested in double degree or conference program with other disciplines, we also welcome. But as you can see, we
คุณครับอาจารย์ Thank you very much
คุณค่ะอาจารย์สวัสดีค่ะก็เป็นหลักสูตรที่มัน popular ใน international student นะคะแล้วก็เนื่องจากว่าเป็น research based เพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยสำหรับทั้งนิสิตไทยแล้วก็นิสิตต่างชาติเนี่ยก็สามารถเข้าร่วมได้ง่ายๆนะคะหรือว่านิสิตต่างชาติที่ไม่สะดวกที่จะทำในคลินิกหรือในคนไข้
อาจจะรู้สึกว่าเราจะชื่นชอบเกี่ยวกับเรื่องการทำวิจัยการทำศึกษาในเรื่องรีเสิร์ชมากกว่าอะไรพวกนี้หลักสูตรนี้ก็จะรู้สึกตอบโจทย์
ใช่ค่ะrecommendเลยนะคะ